Salve, sono in compagnia di...
Roberto Intorre, buonasera a tutti. Bella definizione, sì, in effetti è una seconda casa. Io passo molto più tempo.
Ciao, I am Robert Intorre. This workshop is my second home. In fact, I spend more time here than at my home. This is where I express my fantasy, where I concretize my ideas related to the adornment of the body, and not just the body. I like to contextualize my works, whether they are worn by one person or whether they are part of a different context.
Il gioiello in genere che noi realizziamo, che io penso nella mia fantasia, in collaborazione con i miei collaboratori, racconta di Sicilia.
The jewel that I make together with my collaborators is the work of my imagination and always tells of Sicily, often in symbolic form. The idea from which this workshop was born is that of the old goldsmith shop, a place where, starting from poor metal, we retrace all the steps up to the jewel.
Ritornando un attimo al laboratorio, l'idea di questo laboratorio è nata come una vecchia bottega artigiana orafa, che in Sicilia ancora, in Italia ancora, forse in Europa ancora, esiste l'artigianato.
Crafts still exist in Sicily in a world where there is no longer manual work, where technology takes over and takes us away from the essence of the human being.
Perché io insisto su questa cosa dell'uso delle mani? Perché le mani sono un tramite. Il prolungamento delle mani sono i nostri attrezzi.
The hands are a link, their extension are our tools, and thanks to both we create jewels on which we imprint our character, our essence. We give them an identity. Many of those times
e quindi chi vede un oggetto, un gioiello in torre, lo riconosce. Se l'ha visto una volta non può sbagliarsi, anche se il gioiello...
anyone who sees my jewel recognizes it immediately. This is a useful rolling mill for building the plate. Here, by placing a narrow and long ingot, we create square threads.
Dopodiché, se vogliamo creare dei fili rotondi,
Or through this plate, we create round threads.
questa è una piastra che crea dei fili rotondi.
Here on the counter, we have so many tools. This is a disc cutter. It will take a sheet, but let's try this piece of leather.
Eccolo qua.
From this disc, for example, we can create a half sphere of the size we want with these other tools. By creating two hemispheres, they are welded and a perfect one comes out.
Poi la cosa più difficile è la fantasia, no?
But the most difficult thing is the fantasy, because the technique is learned, the fantasy is not. We take a silver sheet, we put it here and we work it. I am already starting to fold it. See?
Da un peso maggiore lavoriamo meglio. E praticamente con questo posso creare una sagoma, no? Cioè già sto cominciando a piegare, no? E questo fantastico, proprio serve per allargare o stringere le fedi.
This is a fantastic tool. It is used to widen or tighten the fades.
Ma è un lavoro interessante e complesso quello che faccio. Cioè io in realtà nasco come architetto.
It is an interesting and complex job. I have a degree in architecture, but shortly before graduating I already decided that I did not want to be an architect. I have always had a passion for metals since I was a child. It was not easy to make this decision. I did a great introspection. I asked myself, what will I do when I grow up? It was a painful choice, but in the end I decided to lead architecture.
Ricordo benissimo una sera incontrai proprio nel mio percorso visivo un gioiello appeso al collo di una ragazza.
One evening I met a girl with a jewel around her neck. I was officially hot. Today, after 30 years, I have understood that the realization, the design of jewel is like making a bridge, a building. It is architecture. Architecture and jewelry are not the same, but they are very similar.
Tutto ciò mi porta comunque all'amore per la mia terra, perché io sono nato in Sicilia, conoscendo il mondo uno si rende conto che la Sicilia è una terra speciale.
Beyond the design, there is always inspiration. Sicily is my muse. All this leads me to love my land. I was born in Sicily, and knowing the world, I realized that Sicily is a unique land. There is nothing else so intense in the world. Sicily is a source of inspiration for those who live it, especially for a job like mine. Sicily is sea, coral, fish, lava. It is black, sunny, contradictory. It never ends. A lifetime is not enough to take inspiration from this beautiful land.
Ma la Sicilia ha mare, ha corallo, ha pesci, ha lava, è nera, è solare, è contraddittoria, è ricca di tante di quelle sfaccettature che io rabbrividisco, veramente, non si finisce mai. Io penso che una vita non basta a prendere ispirazione da questa bellissima terra. Infatti è lo stimolo anche di una
Every day I create new shapes and I never stop. Customers often tell me I would like a Sicily that forms the closure of a bracelet. There I explode, I begin to create, I realize various closures. I think of the sea, the lava, the Arabs, the Normans, the markets, the land, the fruit, everything. Over the years traveling the world, I have understood that our jewels have a strong identity. We Sicilians will always remain Sicilians for eternity. We Sicilians always need Sicily. We carry it in our heads and hearts. It makes me happy to make a jewel for a woman or a man. It is pure love. It makes me happy to give, to make others happy.
Mi rende felice fare un gioiello per una donna o per un uomo e vedere il sorriso sulle labbra di una donna o di un uomo, indistintamente. È un amore puro, no? Mi piace donare questa cosa. Io ho queste sardine qui, per esempio.
Here I have these sardines. They are very stylized and out of the ordinary coral eye and other details that make them special and that remind, for example, the Sicilian Sea to those who buy them. Or maybe a chef buys it and reminds him of pasta with sardines. But in the end, we created Sicily and everyone can give the sense he wants. He can imagine his Sicily in this jewel.
Buonasera a tutti, sono con Roberto Intorre che abbiamo appena finito di intervistare per vedere...
I am with Roberto Intorre. We have just finished our interview. Here is one of his collaborators. There is also a beautiful shop that I invite everyone to visit here in Palermo.